Happy belated Valentimes, everyone. Better late than never, am I right? I really wanted to create a romantic, ethereal, glittery look for this occasion, so let's get started. Hitting up my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette for my transition shade. Going into Peach Punch, I'm just gonna sloppily dust that all over my crease. Then taking my very worn out Besame Crimson Cream blush with a flat packing brush and laying down a eyeshadow base for all the red shadow to come. Taking my Sephora Colorful Single Shadow in Red Carpet, which is a matte shade, and packing that all over where I laid down my cream blush. Then blending out all the edges because we want all the blending to be seamless. Taking my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes again in Just Peachy and Peach Punch to blur out any edges. My well-loved Moonchild Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Pink Heart, foiling that with some primer water and using that as an inner corner and brow bone highlight. And since that's it for eyeshadow, we can dust away that bake and get some lashes on this face. Be right back. Lashes are on, they are dramatic AF. Let's bronze and contour.
I really like your brush face.
Thanks. Taking my favorite Tarte Blush Bazaar in the shade Exhilarating and applying my blush liberally. We definitely are going for a rosy look today, even going on top of my blush with my Sephora Colorful Shadow in Red Carpet for added flush. Going back into Pink Heart, I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones. And layering on top of that my Master Chrome in Rose Gold. Today we get to play with rhinestones that I got at the craft store, which I've never used before, so we'll see how this goes. So taking some Duo Lash adhesive, placing the rhinestone on top of it. Seems to work pretty well. Stick those two right under the eyes, try to line them up. And then taking my Too Faced glitter glue on a tiny pencil brush and dotting it in certain areas to lay down some sequins. Tiny baby heart sequins. Then using my NYX white liquid liner to make some adorable white freckles. For lips, I'm first taking my MAC Luster lipstick in Lustering and blending that all over my lips. Then taking my Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in the shade Missy and Fierce on the very inside part of my lips, then blending that out with my finger. And for that final touch, taking some of my Pink Heart highlighter onto my lips. And this is the part where it all went horribly wrong. So funny story. First of all, my apologies for this video being very late. I definitely intended for this video to be up in time. However, my computer had different plans for me, and as I was prepping to start editing this video on the night of the 13th when I filmed this, my laptop cacked out on me. I decided to clean it out and take out all the files that I didn't need so that I would have room, so I wouldn't have to deal with all of my iCloud nonsense. So that took way longer than expected. So last night as I was finishing up this cleaning process and transferring everything over onto a giant flash drive, I noticed one of my videos for this tutorial was missing from my laptop. Well, I just checked my phone. Lo and behold, it's not there either. Somehow my laptop managed to sabotage me entirely for this video and not only prevent me from uploading it on the day, but also disappearing my entire outro. It's real funny. So you get this for the end of the video. I know that's probably a bit jarring, seeing this
pale, pimply red mug after watching me put on makeup for 5 minutes. But it's what you get. Funnily enough, I was like feeling so good about myself because we just hit 100 subscribers. Yay! So I was like, yes, this is going great. And then the last 2 days have just been an absolute shit show. This video is not as much of a neat, tidy little package that I would have liked it to be for Valentine's Day, and I would have loved to have gotten it to you on Valentine's Day. I thought it would just be a waste to scrap the video entirely. All that aside, I was super proud of this look that I created. I was really inspired by a lot of people, including It's Likely Makeup and Color Creep, so hats off to them. I will leave their channel links below in the description box. If you like this video today, please give it a big thumbs up. I know that helps me quite a lot. If you like what you see today, why don't you just go on and subscribe? Or is it over here? If you have any ideas or suggestions for any of my future content, please leave a comment down below and I will definitely check it out. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and for being privy to this shit show that this video has become. I am so sorry, and I hope that this doesn't happen too often. But such is the life of a YouTuber who doesn't have a studio or a dedicated computer for all their videos. Although, wouldn't that be nice? It's just me, my little laptop, my little iPhone. That's it. That's all you're getting. For now. But who knows what the future holds. Maybe if you share this video with a friend or two, I can get enough views or enough subscribers that I could start making some ad revenue. And any revenue I'm going to make off this channel will definitely go directly back into this channel so that I can raise the quality of my videos. Because that is definitely my goal, is to raise the quality of these videos. I'm going to cobble something together for you to enjoy, and I hope you do enjoy it. Please be patient, be generous, be kind to everyone you meet today, because you do not know what someone is going through, ever. I'll see you in the next video, which hopefully will be a complete video. Alright, bye. Bye.